Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about trading the NQ, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description where you can find Coach's education platform. Enjoy guys.
Hey Ernie, I got a quick question. I was in the NQ today and the contract that I wanted to get said it was accepted. It's the first time I've seen that. I usually get working, but accepted, what's that mean? It finally did fill, but I never seen that before.
I don't know. I'm not sure exactly what you're seeing. So when you say that was a separate notification from being filled?
Yep, and usually it says working. Now the other thing was, I think the market was pending something. It was before 9:30, but still the market was open, so for NQ, but I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't recall seeing an accepted message. I don't know if anybody else has. For me, it's either working or filled.
That's the first time I see it.
It could be that the NQ is much more sparsely traded in options, particularly in the morning. It could be that you may have been the first transaction that has happened on there. I don't know. That's my only guess. Was it on a 25-cent increment?
It was, yep.
So yeah, I don't have any info on accepted. I'm just guessing. Can you tell me what the strike was?
Yeah, it was 28.25.
All right, on the NQ.
Yep. I mean, I got out at 33, and it was moving up and down quite a bit.
It was on 21.225.
Oh, strike 21.110.
21.110.
Yep. 21.310 up and down. Yeah.
That's the problem. 110 is not a 25-cent increment. That is like, you're lucky you got filled there at all.
Okay.
That is why. Let me just show you. This is why I say you got to make sure it's on the 25-cent increment. If it's not on the 25-cent increment, do not do it, because not only will you have trouble actually getting into it, you may have trouble getting out. So if we were to look at, see, here's 21.100 right here. Look at the open interest, 212 versus all these others. The one that you were on 21.10, look at it, it's just 15, less than 1/9 of the volume of the strike above it.
Yeah.
And the 310's even worse. It's got no volume down here. 310 over here on the call side is right there. Really super low volume.
I was fortunate it filled and fortunate I got rid of it.
Correct. That's why I say you can see the difference between the ones on the quarters and not on the quarters. It's stark. That's why I say only trade on the quarters. The quarter, the 25-cent increments. 00, 25, 50, or 75. All right?
Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button below. If there's any questions that you might have for Coach Ernie, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Thanks guys.